Hi. Right. That's not vapes, okay? It's mad dingling. I'm joking. Right. Sorry. Forgive Patricia, my ghost. Today, new series. Yo, Patricia! Right. New series. Yo. She keeps turning the light switch on and off. It's annoying. Ambient noise in the background, my sister's talking. Anyways. Cool Doritos. New series. Taste testing snacks. Rating them. Snacks, drinks, cereal, food, anything. I even eat shit if you guys want me to. I will not. But I use that as leave though. Right. I don't. No, I don't care. Cool original Doritos, also known as Cool Ranch in America. Or we'll put yo Patricia. Yo, sorry about Patricia. Anyways, very good food apparently. I mean, I used to love these, and I stopped eating them, and I started eating the tangy ones, the cheesy ones. So we're gonna have a little dabble. What a dabble! I just my intro. Fuck it. Nonsense with Jordan. Like, ooh, raping my nostrils there. No warning. I'm not complaining though. Oh, that was aggressive, almost dominant, possessive. Let's see if it is a Patricia, turn the light on fully. Thanks, I guess. Right. We're gonna go in. Ooh. It's almost bringing me to tears. It's going right at my nostrils, so my brain, like, hitting a fucking button in my brain and going, stop crying. So good. Okay, right. Anyways. So, triangle. Bit bent. It's on the gear side. Big up my gears. Big up my gears. Sounds like I own them. Anyways. I'm gonna oh shit. I'm gonna go for a third. Wow. Either this is very bad to get the dust around. But man, that's put points now, man. But man, get me a full fucking bag here, mate, not fucking crumbs. Alright, but absolutely amazing. Molested my taste buds, raped them even. If dare go there, like at least 4 years in prison for that. That's how good they were. You're gonna be in a cat D, bro. But fucking hell, amazing. I'll put them at the top for the time, obviously, but I say around about. I'll give it A, not an S, A. But yeah. Oh, keep raping me. All of it. I'll be glad that one. Toodaloo.